So, you're eyeing Norway, eh? The fjords, the northern lights, the quintessential Scandinavian experience. And of course, you're probably wondering about the practicalities of life there. One of the most common questions we hear is, can I use Vipps if I'm not Norwegian? Now, Vipps. It's more than just an app. It's a way of life for Norwegians. It's how they pay for coffee, split bills, and even send money to grandma. It's so deeply ingrained in the Norwegian psyche that it's almost like another language. But is this linguistic, or rather, digital barrier impenetrable for foreigners? Let's dive in. First off, what is Vipps? For the uninitiated, Vipps is a mobile payment app that's taken Norway by storm. It's fast, secure, and incredibly convenient. You link it to your bank account, and voila! You can transfer money, pay for goods and services, and even donate to charity with a few taps. It's like having a digital wallet that's more powerful than your physical one. But here's the burning question: can you, a non-Norwegian, join the Vipps party? The short answer is, not directly. Vipps is primarily designed for Norwegian residents and has specific requirements for account verification. This means you'll need a Norwegian phone number, a Norwegian address, and possibly a Norwegian national ID number. Now, this might sound like a dead end, but fear not, intrepid traveler. There are always workarounds. While you can't use Vipps as a primary payment method, you might be able to use it for smaller transactions. For instance, if you're staying with a Norwegian friend or family member, they might be able to add you as a contact and send you money. But remember, this is a workaround, not a guaranteed solution. So, what are your alternatives? Well, credit and debit cards are widely accepted in Norway. Most businesses, from the local grocery store to high-end boutiques, will happily take your card. Another option is to use contactless payments. Apple Pay and Google Pay are gaining popularity, so you might find them useful. But let's talk about the bigger picture. While Vipps might be a Norwegian staple, it's not the end of the world if you can't use it. Norway is generally a cashless society, so you'll find plenty of other ways to pay. And let's be honest, sometimes it's refreshing to pull out a physical card and feel the satisfaction of a swiped transaction. To wrap it up, while Vipps might be the envy of many, it's not essential for enjoying your Norwegian adventure. With a bit of planning, you'll find plenty of ways to navigate the payment landscape. So, pack your bags, book your flights, and get ready to experience the magic of Norway. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.